Hey gang, it's the Average Guy here coming at you with a video to discuss what happens when your Polaris lock and ride system fails and you have to replace it. I'll try to keep it brief, but in a nutshell, this little hinge broke. There's a pin hinge that holds that together through what is supposed to look like this little arm, and as you can see, that is attached to that main piece. And the only way to fix it is to completely replace that whole entire back lock and ride rack. That rack, the new one, is shown right here, 5455814-070 is your exact replacement part. But I want to caution you, on all the websites I found, VividRacing.com had the best price at $170. They get it right from Polaris. They did not sponsor this video. I'm just throwing them a shameless plug because of how good a deal it was. But the exploded view of what you think you're getting includes all the peripheral parts, but you do not get those parts. You'll have to order two new pin hinges in case you lost one of them or both. But then everything else, I think you can scavenge off the old back. That includes the waterproof seal, this lock down here, and then anything else that you might have had bolted on, right? So as another cautionary measure, if you used any of these types of like eye hole, I don't know what you want to call them, but they're these types of anchors that kind of screw in. Do yourself a favor and take the lock and ride system off and then push these out. As you can see, they pop right out if you do it that way. But if you try to monkey around with them while it's on the bike, you'll never get them back out. I would also suggest that you take a minute to inspect everything underneath, and this is going to go get washed before I reassemble the new lock and ride system on it. You'll want to probably wash yours too. You're going to want to have one 10mm deep well socket. I was using one with an articulating head. If you don't have that, you're going to want an extension. And then you're going to need a Torx 27, which I'm showing right here, a Torx 30, and a Torx 40. And those are all the tools that you need to get all the screws out and hopefully get this thing replaced and put back together. I hope that helps. It's a 2019 Sportsman 850 SP Premium that this is being replaced on. If you have any questions, you guys know what to do. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.